Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this demo video, I'm going to explain to you about software called Figma. Okay, but before that, I'm going to introduce myself. If you don't know about me, so my name is Muffin Pramana. You can call me Muffin. Okay, so back to the video. So I'm basically going to explain to you what this software is used for and how to use it and what are the tools of. Okay. So we just straight into the point. So yeah, as you can see in here. So in this first section, it's just a selection for what are you going to do is there's move, hand tool, and scale. So yeah, if you move means that you can move some things, and for the hand tool, it is the same. You can move things, and but for the scale, it's used for scaling stuff. Okay. So next, there is frame section. So this is the most important part. So what is frame? So frame is going to be the part of your design and uh, what are you going to design to? For example, in here we can see this phone, tablet, and watch. And for example, I want to make a frame about A4 paper, and yeah, boom, you will get the A4 paper for your design. Okay. Now, for this next tool, I'll show you guys some this rectangle stuff. So what is this rectangle stuff is basically you can make your design with rectangle or others. For example, I use rectangle, okay? Now we can make stuff on your A4 paper with your design. And yeah, now if you see right here, the corner of this rectangle is too sharp. So if you want to get it more soft, you can click on the rectangle and click on this little circle button, and then just drag it into the inside, and then you'll make the rectangle more sharp. Okay. Now, okay, that's for the rectangle. So yeah, now for the polygon example, we can just slice it into your design, and for the rectangle, you can set it, you can modify it by clicking this circle like this, and it just drag into the inside, and then it will get more less sharp like that. Okay. Okay, now yeah, and now for the eclipse. Okay, now for the eclipse you can select here. Okay, and then we try to modifying it by clicking this circle and see what's happened. Okay. Okay, as you can see it's got sliced, and yeah, that's the use for the circle and to modify it easily. Okay. So yeah, I think for the shape, it's just three of them, just rectangle, the circle, and the polygon. Because there's many in this, you can try it by your own in Figma. And okay, now we move the next tool that is pen. So what is pen? Pen is basically to draw something. For example, like you want to draw a book, maybe you can just like hit and then okay, and then to fill the pen that you're making, you can use this paint bucket by pressing B and then just click on it. And yeah, you basically done. You created a rectangle on the okay. Now the next is this text button. Okay. So what this C button is basically to create a text. Okay. For example, demo video. Okay. Basically they created a text called demo video. And you can scale the text by just clicking on the text, and as you can see on the uh right way, okay, there is typography, and yeah, beside the right position of the regular, you can see 12 is basically the size of the text. You can see 20, and you can scale the text M31. Okay. So yeah, that's just the use for text. Okay. Now to edit the fonts of the text, you can see on the typography again, and you can see it's enter for the typography. You can change it. So maybe Iris Gopher and more maybe. Now, yeah, you can basically scale and the text, for example, maybe 100. or anything you want, okay? So yeah, now what we want to do is basically to make the text goes into the behind this rectangle. How to do it? Okay, we go to the left side of this Figma and you can say on the A4 paper and you just move the demo video into behind the rectangle. Okay, wait, I make mistake. Okay, so we just make the demo video behind the text of the rectangle. You can see the demo video text is basically the behind the rectangle. Okay, so yeah, that's simple. Okay, that's the use of Figma. Okay, now you can make your own design. You can basically make anything you want. For example, you can make thumbnail. You can see from the frame section and just uh see what's the right pixel from it. Okay, now as you can see, there is as in this selection, you can select section and slice. So what that mean for the section is to create a section. For example, this A4, you can create this on a section that is for example, Firefly, example. So yeah, you can make your design for Firefly in this section. Okay. Now yeah, okay. Now for the next tool that is in this, that is comment. So what this comment does is basically to give a comment if you're on the team or a group or you're working on a design with your friend and then you'll comment, yo, this design is so bad. This design is bad. Okay, you can communicate with your partner or something. So yeah, I think that's all for my short explanation about this software. So I hope you understand a bit about this demo video or presentation or explanation. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have some mistake. Okay. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.